Matter time is the story of discrete ether. Matter time, as you will see, shows why we are, where we are, and what we're going to become. The Deep Field Hubble is a telescope picture that shows galaxies billions and billions of light years away, deep in what we normally think of as our past. They are not our precursors, but they are precursors to other matter and other peoples in the universe besides ourselves. As you'll see, matter and time take a front stage in matter time, not surprisingly, and the action of what we do affects who we are, which is not too surprising. One of the early figures of the universe is Ashura civilization. Ashura was a goddess, the wife of Yahweh, before the Judaic tradition rejected a wife. So Ashura, in a sense, represents an early version of what we think of as Mother Nature. The image of Mother Earth shows up in a lot of our early history and takes on many forms. This is a particular rendition of Mother Earth that I happen to like. And in matter time, Mother Earth is the symbolic representation of all matter. The complement to Mother Earth is Father Time. Now, time is not the consort of Earth. Rather, time is the action of Earth. Time is the manifestation of matter as action in matter time. Here is John Flanagan's bronze that's in the Library of Congress lobby that shows Father Time along with Demeter representing Mother Earth and Persephone, her daughter, who represents springtime. This ancient Greek legend is a wonderful story and has a lot of relevance to our time. And here's a perfectly lovely picture of Sagittarius, the Milky Way, of course, and then Sagittarius. And Sagittarius represents the archer in Greek legend, but turns out to be very close to the center of the Milky Way. It's in a supermassive black hole. Quite amazing. And here's a picture of Virgo. Constellation Virgo is traditionally the spring constellation. The star Spica shows up in Egyptian mythology as the sign of spring. Interestingly, it also points the direction of the Virgo supercluster of galaxies, which our own galaxy belongs to. Is that just a coincidence? This shows the difference between the Big Bang creation on the left and the ether time creation on the right. Whereas the Big Bang creation is this weird, pull, sudden expansion of the universe from nothing. Ether time is simply a pulse. It's a symmetric pulse. It makes a lot more sense. So instead of expanding from a singularity with inflation and then continuing to expand over 13 and some odd billion years, ether time starts with an already expanded universe, and therefore it's been shrinking. And it's been shrinking for about the last 3.4 billion years. Pretty simple. This diagram shows what's called a cosmic microwave background, the remnant of creation. As you look up and down, this diagram goes from the top to the bottom. As you look completely around, it goes from left to right. Shows the entire sky. Also shown in blue is the path of the sun, and in green is the plane of the galaxy. This is what we see as a remnant in the background. I will close this short sequence of matter time with a Hasse diagram that shows creation from hydrogen to the stars to the galaxies. A very coarse diagram that nevertheless represents the precursors and outcomes that are the foundation of our causal reality. And I plan on giving more details in subsequent videos, so keep watching.